guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian sambal using these vegetarian fish slices. Okay, this vegetarian sambal will go very well with nasi lemak. Okay, I've taken about 5 small onions, Indian onions, a piece of ginger about 2 to 3 cm, about 5 cloves of garlic, a piece of lemongrass. Okay, these ingredients are to be grinded. I've also taken 1 tomato and 1 big onion. I need chili powder, salt, oil and water. I'm also using a piece of Gula melaka. So I heat up some oil. This is the fish slices already fried till brownish. Cut up the ingredients with grinder and grind it. Add a little bit water and grind it. This is the ingredients of the grinder. Add the grinded ingredients to the oil that's left over after frying the fish and fry for a few minutes. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder depending how spicy you want it. And then about 2. And about 1 cup water. Add the Gula melaka. Add the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are soft, add the fish slices. Add some water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the onions that has been sliced. The onions are good. Okay, the sambal is ready. I'm going to switch off the stove. So this is the vegetarian sambal. This is the vegetarian sambal. This is the vegetarian nasi lemak. I know.